Okay, for topic 4, you have to know the parts to a parabola. Okay, so the parabola is the U shape that we have here. Okay, and the most important part is this axis of symmetry. It's a vertical line that goes through the vertex. So you want to know this point. This will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point 1 comma negative 4. The axis of symmetry, because it goes through the vertex and it's a vertical line, it would be x equals the x coordinate, which is the 1. So you do need to understand how to write that equation. And your intercepts or your solutions are where that parabola touches the x-axis. These solutions are also called roots or also called zeros. Okay. And then we've always talked about the y-intercept. It's where it touches the y-axis. And that would be the point here, 0 comma negative 3. Okay. I forgot to write the roots. The roots here are at 4, 0, and at negative 1, 0. So that means our solution is x equals 4 and a negative 1. So what we want to see is can you analyze the graph and identify the parts. So on this example here, down here would be our vertex. Did I just give you the same graph? No, I didn't. So this vertex is at 1, negative 4. The axis of symmetry goes through that vertex, that lowest point. And so this is the equation x equals 1. Our solutions are here at a negative 3 and positive 3. And then we also see our y-intercept here at 0 and negative 3. Now, another thing that I didn't say over here on our parts is just a pattern or a relationship that happens. Your axis of symmetry is like a line of symmetry. So it is equal distance to, it cuts the parabola in half. And so it's equal distance. So like if I'm on the line, I go 1 unit to the left and hit that point, then that would be 1 unit to the right. If I look, this is 1, 2 units. So 1, 2 units. So they're kind of showing you here, that's 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay, over here, up here, this is 1, 2, 3 units, 1, 2, 3 units. All right. So what we're going to ask you to do is you're going to be given a graph and you're going to fill in the parts to the graph. Okay, analyze that graph. And the graph is always going to be a quadratic, which means it's going to be a parabola. If you look at this next problem here, use a graph of the parabola, fill in the table. Does the parabola open upwards or downwards? This is upwards. Find the corner of the vertex. Remember that vertex is that point, that lowest or highest point, that minimum or maximum. This is the lowest point here, that turning point, where it's the point that the axis of symmetry cuts the parabola in half. So that point is at 2, comma 3. Okay. Find the equation of the axis of symmetry. So this, because I know it's going to be x equals 2. Then they want you to find the y-intercept. Where does it touch the y-axis? It happens right there. So, oh, x-intercept and y-intercept. Now, this parabola does not touch the x-axis. So that means there are no x-intercepts. Okay. So no x-intercept. Some people write U does not exist, D and E. But basically what that means, if there's no intercepts, so that means no solution. Okay. Now there was a y-intercept I can touch. I can see that one. And that was at the point 0, 6. Alright, so I want you to try number 12 here and then check your answer online to verify your understanding. Right? That covers our topic 4, which is parts of parabola.